There's always a need for leaders, for great leaders. So the question was, how do we prepare students for the unexpected? And so we introduced these different leadership concepts, everything from conflict resolution to negotiation, storytelling, leading from the middle, taking charge, and a myriad of other topics. We socialize these different concepts with them. We give them an opportunity to learn alongside, again, some of the best and the brightest. We give them an opportunity to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. We give them an opportunity to fail in a really safe and hermetic environment. And along the way, what happens is this leadership acumen, this leadership skill set is developed in each of them.
The pandemic was a challenge for me. This was the time that I switched fields because I saw the importance of data and how impactful data is during a time like this. So I moved from energy to a data company. Along with that, I was also promoted within my roles. One part of that was for me to be a leader as well, because I had a few people who were reporting to me directly. And I took bits and pieces of what I learned in the Gordon program, about what do you do in your first 30, 60, 90 days? How do you leave an impression on people? Let them know that you're there, you're open to communication.
Just before the pandemic, we were focused on the automotive industry. We were trying to implement our project into a car air filtration system. So right after the pandemic hit, we realized that our technology was very well suited to target this particular pathogen. And that was the moment that we decided to fully concentrate on developing a prototype that would target this viral compound. And the idea was that we are in a position to come up with something well in advance to help the public health crisis and develop something that would be able to clean up a room or a given environment of air from this particular pathogen.
In today's environment, it's really hard to connect with people and get out and kind of socialize, and that's what class has kind of provided for me. I think Northeastern is doing a really great job at making this a place where we can actually come and experience college like you're supposed to. One of the big things that I'm going to be taking away from this program is the ability to be flexible. Adaptability is really important, one for me, but for just anybody looking to start their careers or anywhere in their careers. I'm learning that flexibility now, and I think it's going to benefit me a lot once I finish the program here.
What the pandemic has done to leadership is, I think it's put it under a magnifying glass. I had to be ramped up quickly, learn quickly, and rise up to the challenge quickly. And that's something that the Gordon program has definitely instilled in me.
So upon completion of our program, we've challenged them certainly with an engineering curriculum, physics, but then also the core leadership tenets as well.